Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
So our project title is COVID-20, a large-scale benchmark Twitter dataset for COVID-19 sentiment analysis. Now we are going to see the project abstract. The main goal of the project is to understand the sentiment manifested within the people around the globe regarding COVID situation. In order to attain this, corona-specific tweets are acquired from the Twitter platform. Identification of COVID-19 sentiments from the tweets would allow to inform the decision for better handling the current pandemic situation. The used data is extracted from the Twitter provided by the user repository. So after gathering the tweets, the data is cleaned using the pre-processing techniques. They are labeled and a model is developed which is effective for detecting the actual sentiment behind the tweets related to COVID-19. Here, the tweets are classified, that is, the COVID-19 tweets are classified as positive, neutral, or negative using the machine learning and deep learning algorithm. So, based on the machine learning and deep learning algorithm, we are getting the final result which is evaluated on the accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. So now we are going to see the flow of the project. So this is the overall working flow of the process. So first we have to initially select the data. So we are collecting the data from the user repository. Here we are taking the COVID-19 tweets. So after that we are collecting the data and we are loading the data into the process. So then we are going to move pre-processing. So in the pre-processing we are doing three things mainly. One is data cleaning and tokenization. So after data cleaning and tokenization is happened, then we are moved to the label encoding. So here they encoded the data from the label from the data using the label encoding concept. So after pre-processing, while we are going to visualize the data using the exploratory data analysis concept. So after that, extract the future as train and test. So the classification will be applied through the machine learning and deep learning algorithm like multinomial naive Bayes, SVM, logistic regression, and finally the deep learning algorithm called LSTM. So finally we are getting the result.
Now we are going to see the running procedure of the video. So here that will be the COVID tweet.py is the main file. It is having the code. So you have to open this and you have to click the run button. The process starting running. So this will be the data set which we are having here. So here there will be the null value checking. So here it is checked whether the data set having any null value or not. So after that the visualization will be coming over here. So it visualize the how many positive, neutral, negative, and extreme positive and extreme negative is there, and here it will be embed the extreme positive and negative as positive and negative. So it gives the words in tweets. Positive sentiments is this, negative sentiment is this. So after a neutral sentiment is this. So then characters in tweets, positive sentiment, negative sentiment, and neutral sentiment. So then it shows the hashtag for each and every hashtag counts. So then it shows the mentions count. So the NLTK is running here. The NLTK is help to for sentiment analysis for tokenizing stopword removal. After that it encode the data. So the total token is unique as here. The multinomial NB it gives the 60% and support vector machine is running over here. So the support vector machine is gives 71%. Logistic regression it gives accuracy 75%. So the LSTM is over running here. So these are all the layers inside the LSTM. So this is the hidden layers. So one is embedding layer. So another one is bidirectional LSTM. Here we are using the bidirectional LSTM. So then flatten layer, then dense layer. So therefore just Here overall the four approaches is running, that is called the training and the validation samples. So the training accuracy gives 93 and the validation accuracy gives 80. So this is the result of training and validation accuracy. So this is a training and validation loss. So this is the final result of it. So thank you for watching this video.